Hello to Polio24. Today I show you some of the Red Star Seagull 1963 chronographs. So this is the acrylic version of the 38mm stainless steel chronograph. The blue color is just a protection. Yeah, you can put it off. So this is the version with the acrylic crystal. You can polish it, but it's not easy to do scratches inside, so it's quite a robust model. This is the same watch in 38mm diameter, but with sapphire crystal, so you cannot scratch it. And all of these models have the high quality Seagull 1963 ST19 movement inside, with swan neck fine regulation here. And here you can see the column wheel. So these decorated calibers are very good tested by Red Star, and we test them once again here in Munich and check also certainly the accuracy. This one is the 40mm version, stainless steel certainly, and sapphire crystal. So this is available in 40mm diameter, and this one is the 42mm, and here it has curved band connections, so it's very comfortable to wear. It's available with sapphire crystal only. It looks quite decent. So which size you prefer, it's just a question of your personal taste. I have 17 centimeters wrist, and I use all of them. So for my wrist, all of them are comfortable, but it's certainly a question of your personal choice and what you prefer. I hope this little video was some help, and if you have further questions, please just contact us by email or about the homepage.